Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python code to receive a file. First, we are going to import socket. I also made a video in which we were able to send a file. You can have a look at that one also. I will provide a link to a source code for that sending a file, Python code, and also code for receiving a file. So right now we are going to define our function. Receive file, and we are going to create our socket. Of sock string type, and we are going to have our host by calling socket dot get host name, port. This will be 125. This is the same port we used to send a file. So now we are going to use connect. Now host and port, we are going to make a connection and send a message to our server in bytes. Hello server. Now we are gonna do with open received file. We are going to write the data to this file in a writing binary mode. We are going to just print a message file and print the message that we are receiving a data. We are going to use a while loop, set it to true, and get the data by calling sockets receive method and this number of bytes. If not, data break. And now we are just going to I forgot over here as file, and now we are just going to write the data file. It should be column over here. We are just reading the data coming from the server as a file and just writing to our local file. And at the end, we're just gonna do successfully receive the file, and we are just going to close the socket do print connection closed, and we're just gonna call this function. I'm just gonna do over here receive file. So it's pretty simple, and to test it we need to run our server that we created in our other video, and it will send a file. Then we run this receive file code, and we will be able to receive the file from our server. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.